Hello, good morning. My name is Michael Heitzinger. I'm one of the two managing directors of EREMA Engineering. Of course, we were looking forward to meet at March 2020 for the PRE show, to meet the customers, the long-term customers, to say hello, to say thank you, and to talk about new future project and challenges. And yes, we are also very pleased that we heard in January that we were announced for the Recycling Award Europe, for the Plastic Recycling Machinery Award, for the VACUNITE technology, a technology for PET bottles, bottle to bottle, which is so clear and logical and systematic that even without any first reference on the market being put into operation, an enormously high number of orders has been already achieved. Although our sales and service branch in China was directly affected by the COVID-19 pandemic in January, and we saw the strict steps being taken in China, we in Europe were really surprised about the enormous severity of the pandemic. Nevertheless, thanks to information from our colleagues in China, we set up a crisis management team relatively early on, and the federal government in Austria reacted quickly to contain the pandemic, but also to provide security for companies, employers and employees during a period of crisis. The COVID-19 pandemic and the resulting measures to maintain operations such as keeping our distance, postponement of working hours, home office and bringing home our commissioning and service technicians kept us really busy. Our greatest attention, of course, apart from health, was focused on the logistics chain within Europe. In recent weeks, great flexibility has been required and travel restriction or supply chain obstructions will still continue to challenge us. All this, of course, influenced the production planning. This has been very challenging weeks for us, for our suppliers and our customers, but also a very positive and intensive time to stick together, to support each other where possible, and to meet these challenges together. And I hope we could and can contribute with our flexibility. Apart from production, the commissioning of the purchased systems and the planned service visits are also a central issue for us, for EREMA and our customers, which is why we also offer our customers much more remote commissioning services. In a time where traveling was and still is restricted only under very special regulations, it is now becoming clear how important it was to push ahead with digitalization at an early stage. Looking back on the last 3 months, we are of course much more positive that we will soon be able to work with our customers again in Europe and with the combined strengths of the entire EREMA team. And at the same time, production has been fully restarted, contacts to all customers worldwide have been maintained via home office workstations, all service parts could be delivered on time and order decisions will also be made again, as there will also be a time after COVID-19. We have a great team that we're really proud of. It was incredible how quickly our team adapted to the changed situation, how fast our entire team switched from over 400 people to home office or shift work, and from there the team was able to complete the upcoming tasks in the same professional manner. A heartfelt thank you to our team. Due to this positive experience, of course, we'll deal with the topic of home office more intensively and develop a concept how to integrate work from home into our business activities, taking into account the required data security. In the Corona crisis, we've seen different developments in the field of plastics recycling. Especially in the area of food packaging, the world has clearly realized that plastic stands for safe packaging. This could have a positive effect on the image of plastics in the population, provided that this packaging does not end in the environment after use, but is recycled. In the field of post-consumer plastics, with falling raw material prices and low acceptance of using recycled materials, an entire industry has come under pressure. Because for the customer, recycling is in their head and is important, but the necessary requirement to use this material in products is missing. And therefore the target is often unattainable if I think about the European recycling quotas for 2025 or 2030. And from EREMA side, the product quality must be achieved in post-consumer recycling. A consistently good quality to be calculated in the next processing step. And this is the goal EREMA is working on with our customers and for which we have already developed solutions in the field of quality on products over the whole product range. Even though the corona pandemic is currently causing a lot of confusion, we look to the future with confidence. Plastics recycling will continue to be an important topic for society. Thanks to COVID-19, and really thanks to COVID-19, people could start to appreciate plastics as a safe material again. Realize that it's useful and important in our daily lives when it is used, collected, and of course recycled. Perhaps COVID-19 has also made us aware that the goals that Europe and the world have set for themselves must be observed more closely in the crisis and not to be allowed to go overboard. EREMA Engineering is proud to be nominated with the VACUNITE technology. We would like to thank our customers worldwide for the confidence in this technology, in which two strong partners, on the one hand EREMA and on the other hand Polymetrics, have combined the know-how to meet current customer requirements on the world market and to offer long-term reliable solutions for high-quality PET recycling. And in addition to VACUNITE technology, we are particularly pleased to be able to take the next steps on the market, on the European market, with our partner SIPA in Italy in the field of inline recycling preform technology, the SIPA Extreme Renew system, a technology that is becoming more and more relevant for real circular economy thinking. In addition to PET projects, the topics of odor reduction and food gradability, confirmed by the FDA approval of our EREMA TV Plus recycling process, are of great interest in the field of polyolefins, especially for HDPE, in order to open up possible applications for recycled HDPE in high-quality new end products. And here, too, we already implement large international projects that point the way to the future. We would like to take this opportunity to thank you for this great chance to speak to you. Many thanks, and we will look forward to hopefully meeting again face-to-face soon. Thank you very much, stay healthy, have a good day. Michael Heitzinger from EREMA.